So of course you want to make sure your hair is moisturized. So I'm going in with my Texture by Cantu leave-in plus rinse out hydrating conditioner. And I'm just applying that on this very last section of my hair before getting started with the twist. Then I'm going to go in with my Ebin New York 24-hour Edge Tamer Edge Control. And I'm just applying that on the root of my hair to make sure I grip my hair. It's nice and able to grip before I apply the rubber band and does not move and all of that stuff. And just looks neat as I get started twisting. So after that, I am of course using a rubber band. Now when it comes to the rubber band, you do want to twist it at least 3 to 4 times. You don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. This is a protective style, so you do not want to damage or put pressure on your scalp or hair or any of that. So next, I'll be using the Freetress Braid Bohemian Braid 20-inch hair in the color TT27. This is an ombre shade. It's honey blonde, and I really do love this color. Now, I did take out 2 strands, and I will explain later why I took out 2 strands. But of course, for each strand, you want to start in the middle and pull apart the hair. You don't want to pull it too much because you do not want to lose the curl pattern in the hair. But you do want to make sure the hair kind of looks messy and still has some kind of curl pattern to it before you get started on your hair. So I did this to the first strand of hair, and I also did it to the second strand of hair. So next I'll be using my Jumbo Latch Hook hair weaving tool, and you guys will see that I am going under the rubber band and I am pulling one side of the crochet needle to the other side. Then I will be adding the hair to that hook. Then I'm going to close the hook and I'm going to pull the needle to the other side of my hair. Then you guys will see that loop of the hair. So when it comes to that loop, you just want to pull one side of the hair. So that's exactly what you guys see me doing. I'm taking that loop and I am pulling one side of the braiding hair out. And then I'm going to take my natural hair and I'm going to pull it apart and make sure that it's together with the other hair so I can get started twisting. Don't touch my hair. When it's the feeling I don't touch my So now I'm going in with the second strand of hair, and I'm doing it the same way that I did the first twist, except one side will have the original twist and the other side will just have that other part of the strand of hair. Now, the reason why, again, because I did state that I was going to use 2 strands of hair and tell you guys why. One reason is because You guys know, if you are familiar with my channel and me, I've been natural for almost 3 years. Back in October, I decided to get a silk press for the first time, and that silk press damaged my hair. My hair has not recovered from that. So my hair is silky, like it's silky straight. So it will not hold a twist at all. So I did encounter this problem when I first did these passion twists a couple weeks ago. So this is me redoing them. But my hair was peeking through each twist, and I really did not like it. It was really bothering me. If you guys can see in the back there, you can kind of see it, but it's not as noticeable and not as bothering to me as it was the first time. So I just went in with the other strand of hair to help hide my hair in the other twist, and it also made the twist thicker. When I first did these, I did not make my hair look as full as I wanted to, so that is one reason why I decided to redo these twists. So I pretty much did the same method to the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of the video. So now that my whole entire head is complete, I'm going in with this L'Oreal Ever Curl Sculpt and Hold Cream Gel, and I'm just applying that all through my hair on the twist to make sure that it holds And this also conditions and shapes anti-frizz definition for now, because this is a new fresh style. Then I'm going in with my favorite Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse, just to add on to the hold of the twist and all of that stuff. So these are the two products that I use as well to hold my twist together. And I've been applying these products like every other day. When I first did these passion twists, I applied them every other day. I didn't really need to apply them every day. So these are the two products. I'll make sure I list them down below so you guys will know what exactly I use. So this is basically the finished product. My hair is complete, and these are how my passion twists are looking. So as I stated earlier in the video, I will be doing another video, kind of like a sit down video, just explaining to you guys my first experience when I first did my passion twists a few weeks ago, and things that I kind of did differently just based off my hair and all of that stuff. So make sure you guys look out for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and I will try my best to answer them for you. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys love this look on me. I did get some compliments when I first did them, and I absolutely love this protective style, so I will be doing it more often. But that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one.